How'd you get up here?
I came up the McKinnon Road from Mombasa. How about you?
I flew into Nairobi and I four-wheeled it from there.
A good connection.
Yeah.
Oh, isn't this the greatest place to be? What a view! Oh, I have a feeling. I have a feeling.
I've been reading so much about microcontrollers, I thought I'd do a little investigation on my own.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, those magazine articles don't ever seem to address my problems with my projects. I thought I'd come out here and see for myself.
That's right. Last time I was here, I saw the 80C51 when it was fairly young. It had a smaller derivative family than it does now, but it was starting to dominate even then.
Well, this time I gotta find something that really handles multitasking, so it's gotta be 16 bits or better. And I've gotta be able to code in C to meet my deadlines.
You mean it's got to be fast? Oh, I feel a chant coming on. Fossta, 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 bettachepa. Fossta, 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 bettachepa. Fossta, 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 bettachepa.
Fossta, bettachepa.
Oh, enough already. You know what? I talked to some other engineers at the Embedded System show, and they got to see some of the Philips XA controllers. Said they looked awfully good.
Hey, look over there. Looks like a herd of 16-bit micros. Is that the Intel 251 in there?
Yeah, but those aren't 16-bit micros. The 251 has an 8-bit data path. You can tell its growth is a little stunted.
Hey, there's the Dallas 320.
Yeah, but what would you call that group? A pride or a cubby or a drivel?
That's bad. That's really bad.
I think I see some real 16-bit micros over there. But they seem to be just hanging around the water hole.
Hey, now look, there's a big family for you. Isn't that the 80C51?
Sure is. Looks like the Phillips family. I think you could call that family a pride.
Hey, look, 751. And there's the 552. And an FA. And look at all those OTPs.
C51 has been a real workhorse. It's pulled its load for a long time.
Yeah, the king has been ruling these parts for quite a while. What's that? You hear that?
Some drums, but also a whistling. Oh, there it is, just above the horizon.
A shooting star?
I'd say a rising star. Wow, look how it finished.
16 bits, now that's cool.
I think I know what may be coming.
You do?
Yes, I'll bet an XA is in the area. They have that kind of power.
Yeah.
Do you have the air cam over there?
Yeah, do you want me to get it ready?
Yes, yeah, fire it up and get it out there. I want to see that XA when it gets here.
You got your VR glasses?
I got it, I'm ready.
Look, there it is. It's moving out into the open.
Boy, what power and speed.
XA's a real line.
Quick, launch the air cam. I want to check this out.
Yeah, I gotta check the gain on my glasses. You got a good picture?
Yeah, great.
Yeah, now I've got it.
Go to the 2 gig signal. They're way out there.
Ah, it's a 16-bit controller. That's where the power comes from.
I'm also showing that it can run existing C51 code 4 or 5 times faster at the same clock frequency.
Now that's unlike any of the other species we've seen out here. Look, it does preserve the C51 code.
And optimization can take that up to 100 times performance. And talk about moving up the power curve, but not the learning curve. I'm impressed.
Yeah, but that usually means a lot of redesign.
Well, it shows you can use the existing code. And since you know C51 architecture, that'll reduce your learning curve. You can code C51 in your sleep.
Yeah, we'll see about that. Hey, the 16-bit micros are approaching its territory. I wonder how it's going to deal with that.
Oh boy, what a swat laid on that micro. That's gotta hurt. Well, they're out of here.
Hey, I see the air cam is now detecting multitasking. Not bad. Hey, and low voltage operation too. Just 3 volts for low power operations.
I'm gonna switch now to the language analyzer. Ah, here's your C language support, buddy. You'll like that.
Yeah, I could grow to like it.
You see this? Extended addressability and instruction sets.
So what?
Well, that means you can design much more
I
sophisticated...
know, I was just ringing your chimes because it's so easy.
Yeah, well, thanks. Anyway, it's got a very extensive tool set for development.
Look at all the third-party developers. They've got all the big 51 names. Hey, they've really done their homework. That's a lot of support.
Okay, now let's bring the air cam around on top so we can go infrared into the core block. Yeah, that's it. Now crank it up to 10 power. good.
There's the 16-bit proof. See the ALU?
Yeah, it's 16 all right, in more ways than one. It can also address up to 16 megabytes.
Hey, and here's the register files. That eliminates the old accumulator bottleneck. And the banked files allow quicker switching from one task to another.
Oh, now this is nice, very nice. It'll handle up to 32 interrupts at 16 different priority levels. That really increases its power.
I see exception handling has 16 hardware and 16 software traps. That means it really could be bulletproof.
Okay, it's been a good flight. Let's say we bring back the air cam and power down the VRs.
Okay.
Seen a lot of the XA.
I'm bringing it back now, and I'm going to drop it in my hip pocket. Watch that.
Well, this is very interesting. Migrating to the XA would be so smooth because its instruction set and memory map are a superset of the C51. So you can use your existing code.
Yeah, I could leverage the work I've already done and use my existing software libraries as well. That's not bad.
That's right, buddy. Move up the power curve, but not the learning curve.
It's like the old chant says. Fossta, 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 bettachepa. Fossta,
Fossta, fossta, bettachepa. Faster, 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 better, cheaper. You know, you said it right the first time. The XA is a real lion. And it was enlightening to see several of the controllers at the same time.
Yeah, and their own habitats as well.
And seeing it with the other controllers gave me a greater appreciation for its evolution and power and how it leads the others.
Well, you know what they say.
What? What do they say?
It's good to be king.
Fossta, bettachepa.